Hello and welcome to my channel, and let me show you something. So this is my ads, and here you can see I have two ad sets and two ads from one ad set is running, which is one video ad and one image ad, and one is like ad which is due on 15 September. Today is 14 September. So 3 weeks access I'm going to stop within 1 week. So let me show you what do I mean by that. So these two ads are active, as you can see, the active, and if I go to edit, and here you can see the conversion is messaging apps, and here lifetime budget is 30, and this campaign is or this ad set is set to 1 month. You can see start date September 7 and end date is 29, but I'm going to stop today. So today is September 14, as you can see in the corner. So yeah, I'm going to stop today. So start date September 7, today is 14. So in this 1 week I have got a lot of messages that I expected, and I have generated a lead for my ads business. So you can see this is the video ad. Yeah, as you can see, this is video ads, and this one is static image. So, and this one is scheduled from September 20 to October 5. So it's 2 weeks ads. So I'm not going to stop this one, but I'm going to stop this one. Before I stop, let me show you the results. And if I go to ads, and this one is image format, and as you can see September 1 to 14, not 1 to 14, but 7 to 14, and you can see I got 36 from this static ads, and from video ads 33 messages, and reach, these are the reach of these two campaigns, and the impressions, and the cost per each messages, and total amount spent is 9.31. so I'm going to stop these two ads. So I will show you even the messenger, as you can see, and the still talk is going on. So you can see these all are the leads from these two ads, video ads and static image ads, as you can see. So these are within 1 week from two ads. So yeah, Facebook is very cheap in Nepal, and it's a very small country. You can target your specific audience, and here you can see, and this messenger lead comes from this ad ID, which means, as you can see, this is the ad ID, and it is 6300518. So if I go here, and you can see this one, two vid ad English, and you can see the ID 6300518, and it is a video ad. So yeah, this is the video ad. And let me show you from ad library. You can see this one is video ads. You can see this is the video ads, and this one is static ads. So yeah, let me delete these two ads. I think it's enough for me, and I don't have enough budget. So yeah, let me stop these two ads. Before I delete, let me post these two ads on my page. Yeah, so let me go to, so how to post these ads on my Facebook page. Still it's running, and let me go to business settings. Let me click here and let me go to here, page post. Click on page post, and here I need two-factor authentication required. So let me see it. Sorry for the background noise. And let me go to authenticator 69611. Click on add post, and here you can choose your page, and as you can see these are the same ads. As you can see the ad ID, I have done a lot of customization and I have changed around 2-3 times my video ads, as you can see. So yeah, let me click this one. And let me share this post. Click on publish. Now go to my page, and as you can see, this is appear. If I click here, and as you can see, 723 views within 1 week, and a lot of messages, as you can see from this video ad. So let me post this one. I'm searching for static images. Let me post this one also. Let me post this one also.